Your memories are not recordings. Each time you recall a memory, it can change. The moment you remember something, the brain begins reconstructing it. Think about a moment from years ago, a conversation, a birthday, a place you once visited. The memory may feel clear and certain, but ask someone else who was there. Their version might be different. Two people experienced the same event, yet their memories do not match. How can that happen? If memories store the past, why do they change? Experiments reveal something surprising. When people recall the same memory repeatedly, the details often begin to drift. New elements appear. Certain details disappear. The memory slowly shifts. Neuroscience shows that memory is not stored like a video. Instead, memories exist as networks of connections between neurons. When you recall a memory, the brain does not replay it. It rebuilds it. Signals spread across many neural pathways. Fragments of the original experience are assembled again. During this reconstruction, new information can enter the memory. Later experiences, emotions, other people's interpretations. All of these can subtly reshape what the memory becomes. Researchers call this process memory reconsolidation. Each time a memory is recalled, it briefly becomes flexible. The brain can modify it before storing it again. Small details can shift. New meanings can appear. Over time, the memory slowly changes. So the memory you feel certain about today may not be identical to the event that first happened. Your brain is not replaying the past. It is reconstructing it. And each reconstruction leaves a new version behind.